In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Venmo account without phone number. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now to create your account with Venmo without your phone number, you can use these two services. Service first is text verified. So you can just open up this website, and then what this website basically do is that website provide your number that you can use to verify your accounts. So you don't have to give your own number, you just have to pay some price, and then they will give you a temporary number that you can use for the verification for different websites. So this is the first website, which is text verified, and the second website is SMS man. So this website is also similar to the text verified, and they also have created the whole tutorial about it. So you can just visit this website and then read this article, and you can simply purchase their plans and get some temporary number and create your Venmo account without using your own number. So what you have to make sure that account security. So using a third party virtual number may possess some security risks. So ensure you choose reputable services to protect your personal informations, and you also need to comply with the Venmo policies. So Venmo's terms of services may have specific requirements regarding account verification. Is advisable to review their policy to ensure compliance. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.